And I'm Alvin the Cones, that's right. Whoa. You know, I once remember that I thought there were monsters under my bed. Well, Jimmy, I had a big misunderstanding. That wasn't a monster under my bed at all. Only my squishy rabbit slippers when I was a baby cone. It was not that scary, just kind of fluffy. Okay then, let's watch. Oh, I told you I'm not good at this.
Well, it's not something. It's someone.
Hey guys, what they miss? Yeah, so fear not. Santa Claus will come right down his chimney, eat them with cookies, deliver presents, and choose you up for all the way to the food bowl. Oh, right. That was supposed to be said until Christmas. No, Jimmy, not a pretty bit. Oh, a little bit. Yes, sit up. Look, Charlie, you're not overrated. Because that's why. So me and Jimmy would need to move. Jimmy, you better sing song. So what you gonna do? Exactly. Well, technically, compared to the Lord, he would look like not a little cornflake, but a little puddle of water. Hey, what he bad? Gotta make all those stars on nothing. He just went, and then do 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 do. And guess what? They did it. Wow! You gotta admit, Ryan Dunham is a pretty good actor. Not only did he make all those things that Jimmy mentioned, but he made all the plans, the animal, and don't forget the people too. Oh, and by the way, there's someone else who wants to meet you. Technically, it's the actor who played Frankenstein. Your name, sir? I thought your name was spelled Wrinkleski, and you're an actor, Buckalino. Everybody there! He's so cute when he's asleep. Come on, not intervening? Got it. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to relax. Let's just pull up a chair. As I, Alvin the Cone, proudly present the Baby Kangaroo song. Singing the first groovy song? Can we just end this song already? Okay, which one of you guys is King Darius? Okay, allow me to introduce myself. So King Darius, that is what your dream means. Moving on. Did you say go? Okay, I had to disagree with you on that. What bubble can come bursting through that door in this hour? Can I help you with something, fellas? So you guys are wise. Do you always have to be blind, or did you avoid the school for that? Okay, this is giving awkward. Hey, I can sit around from here. No way, that's a mountaintop. Someone explain to me why I'm uncomfortable with this. No. What in the hell just happened? Oh, very funny. That last one did not make sense. It's not so creepy down here. Although musky and filthy, but not so creepy. Nice cuties, good kitties. Oh no, what am I gonna do? It looks like I'm gonna end up as water stew. Huh, right. Hello? Hello? Oh yeah, Jim, there it is. I'll be right up. First I gotta say goodbye to my new friends. Well, hello everybody. Well, bye Larry, bye Curly, bye Bo. Oh, thanks for the pizza. Why, thank you, Jimmy. It was my finest hour. We ought to wrap up the show first. Yep, and in the Bible, Daniel learned that the Lord was taking care of him. Even down there with those big, scary lions. Actually, it's the stuff you need for meatloaf. That's a good idea, Jimmy, for Sam. Bye. And I'm Alvin the Cone. Yep. Yeah, Jimmy. Oh, Cousin Kavanaugh. Now that is amazing. Very interesting question. Darn, I almost had an idea. Oh wait, now I remember. I'll tell Colin the story of the squares of wrath. Once upon a time, there was a very clanky square. Yes, it's like the Greeks of wrath, but in an ironic twist. Please do not interrupt. Thank you. Once upon a time, there was a very cranky square. Yeah, pretty much. So anyway, one day, the squares were driving around in their car when suddenly they hit a stop. Oh, hey! I just said that. Hello? Jimmy, that was just it. They didn't know how bad it made Charlie felt. Luckily, Charlie's dad heard him laughing and came outside to see what's all the commotion out here. Oh, for crying out loud! I just said that! I'm right there, you know! Okay, actually, you can't see me, but I'm right on top of everything! So, Charlie's dad was back by explained to the squares of when we make fun of people, it makes them feel very bad inside. He also told them that when we hurt others' feelings, it not only hurts their feelings, but hurts us all pretty cute. Oh, this is where it gets to the good part. So, Charlie's dad, which is dad smiling yet again, explained to Charlie that when we apologize, like saying we're sorry, and when we didn't mean it, we actually accept other people's apologies. So that way we'll all feel better inside. Oh boy, this is the part where Charlie gets really sensitive. That's right, the squares are really sad this time. And the one that did, Charlie accepts their apology. The story comes alive and then glory. I don't care. Charlie, if you think of this, I say, once a day, Charlie accepts their apologies. I think so. Hey, Jimmy, am I serious? Oh, let's see. Yes. Okay. Thomas and Real Square. I think that is really scientific time. What? You see, Charlie, when we do bad things, it hurts the lower feelings too. The lower one does this accept other people's apologies. Or in this case, same with sorrow. And according to the Bible, if we don't have a sorry, it'll always forgive us. Then that is what? Well, according to that is... Jimmy, did you know this one? Maybe, 7 times? Ooh, very times 7. One question. Do you know what 7 times 7 is? No, not really. According to your own, do you know? Okay, we're gonna need some help. Did you have to ask the world the one who created us? Gee, Jimbo, maybe you could just ask the people in the story? You're welcome. Well, yeah, I have a Johnny. 409 done. Go, Roxman and Thomas. Junior! So, walking Jason into the switch perhaps all was forgiven. But that was not even death by a cat turn at the end of the summer. As the scorches of math, not math, go out and send the lightning and fight this with the rest of the world up. This is end. Thank you. Well, big world. There is no point to this. Everyone knows when you had to do a commercial, you had to have a point. Except, oh man, so you just use a machine instead of asking the Lord? Okay, now we have 2 problems. And even though that thing is so goofy, as Lania would put it, how does that thing even work? You just have to see you press the button below the really expensive apology. Hopefully, ask them, John. That's the comparison of the relevant Bible is more message than this parents. But it's more. What did you do when you make a commercial? No. Sure about this. No! I really wanted to end it. You are not going to convince me. That's it. Bridge floors? No! 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 Oh, for crying out loud! Jadon! Will you get that? Sure to do it, Susan? That's a trouble! You are not... What? Matt G-O-S-H. How can I turn that? You would. Would you? I am doing that. Oh, that is yes. Well, since I told the squares a wrap, why don't you take this one first? You see, we have this bowl, and we take the people, and we put them on the bowl, and we get them right way down, that means way down in the ocean. You see? Ooh, sorry. My mistake. Carry on. Hey, Jimmy, you was great age here. Wait a minute. The name was a mighty sailor, mad as skipper, brave and sure. Ah, yes. A 3-hour tour. Sorry, birth of habits. And to yours truly, yours here. Yes. Oh, don't forget his wife. Ah, wait, you mean Tina Triangle and Marianne Circa. Yeah, they should have come, but they canceled. Remember? And I say we did a really good job if I do say so myself. What is this? That is very nice. You remember those stickers? Relax, I totally got this. Don't worry about me. Oh boy. Now this is a lie. There is nothing, and I mean nothing, I'd rather be the first mate Alvin. Well, whatever that is. Except... Nobody and colorful Captain Alvin Natterall. World's famous blushing ice like a panic. Captain Alvin was 3 dolphins. As you can see, 2 great dolphins struck the ice. Oh, this lady's big problem. With lots of icebergs, stop the Captain Alvin and dolphins. There might not be time to go on it. For surely Captain Alvin is not blaming up the smashed Scooty icebergs. No, it am down something. This is no time for cowards like a cowardly liar. Captain Alvin must fight the iceberg and free the dolphins. Captain Jimbo has come to congratulate Captain Alvin the Banana. Not now, Jimmy. We're looking at Master's iceberg a piece of weight. Yeah? What do you call that? Wait, what? Yes. What just happened? Okay, as you can see, they were 2 dolphins stuck in the ice, and the only word they did about was to smash right through that iceberg over there. It turned out to be a rock. And you put that rocks out and not kind of an iceberg. Maybe it's because I daydreamed even though Jimmy didn't tell me to? Well, I was bored. I lost my head. Okay, I apologize. I really apologize. But hey, the bright side, the bonus group loaded. That's Alvin 1, others 0. Okay, take back everything I said. Others 1, Alvin 0. Where is it? Can't be nicer here. Hey, Jimmy, maybe this won't be so bad after all. Right? I just apologize! And at least you and those 3 Spartans can just accept it! I apologize! But and it's not my fault that I'm such a cone is too goofy! Not good enough. Not good enough? What do you mean by not good enough? Wait a minute. I'm not good enough. They say the goofy cone. They'll think you're not good enough. You could just be better if I just left. And that's what I'll do. I'm just gonna take my things and just go away. Yeah. Let me see if I brought my things. I got my harmonica, my makeup on. Huh. I don't have any things. Oh wait, they got something by the boat. Well, I'll just go. Just me, my hand, and the 2 things I already have. Goodbye, everyone. Especially you, Jimmy. I hope you find a first mate that's good enough. I need to adjust this. Yeah, let's... Work with me. Okay. Can you guys hear me now? So I say, you guys don't like me anymore, so I'm just gonna leave. We know this will actually come in handy. I must go. I am going to flickering winds and scorching desert, climb to the highest top, meeting up princess, and what? You do? Yeah. Okay then. I accept your apologies. Love it. That's what we're talking. Yep. And we know how to mix up with their move. We move back, and then we cut, and then we cannibal, and move, helicopter, and move. Yet, and on my beat, we learn we can accept others' apologies. And when we accept their apologies, we all feel better. Now you're doing it. Or in these days, forgive others. There's no one made you special, and he loves you very much. Bamboo, I need bye.